Hey yo, what up YouTube?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
What up YouTube?
All right.
Hey look,
Yo.
it's been a minute since we did a video together. And today what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these Scat Pack logos on his car. And we're gonna put the SRT on my trunk, as well as we're gonna change the interior lights. Boom. All you gotta do is simply use a power tool and pull from the back. It's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. And, see. Check it out. Damn, that shouldn't be hot. Turn the lights on for me. I got it. All right, so boom. Pretty simple, but we're gonna go an extra step. Go ahead and turn the lights on. We're gonna go ahead and disable these two yellow lights, simply because they don't change from white to LED, and there's no. All you do is push down right here. You're gonna lift up on this board. Boom. All right, do the back. So I'm just gonna put my little Scatty badge on. I was a sleeper. Let's see. How you take this shit off? On my phone? Quick install. Only thing is you wanna make sure you line them up, right? So I got my measurements. Y'all might not know what it is, but I know what it is. So I got my little measurements. And just like that. 6.4.